Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be diving into a step-by-step tutorial on Coohom's affiliate program. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to join the program and start earning money while designing. I will also share some powerful promotional strategies and insider tips to help you succeed. But before we get started, don't be shy, give us a like and click on that subscribe button to be part of our amazing design community. We may have some new faces joining us today, so let me give you a quick overview of what Coohom is and why it's a game changer in the design industry. Coohom is an advanced interior and architectural design platform that combines powerful tools with ease of use. What sets Coohom apart is it has everything you need and more, from AI-powered features such as layout suggestions and an impressive image generator, alongside the ability to produce high-quality 3D renderings, images, videos, and VR tours. So, if you feel like walking in your house before you even build it, Coohom got you covered. Additionally, Coohom caters to both interior and outdoor design, making it a versatile choice for professionals looking to streamline their workflows and impress clients with stunning visuals. It's not just software, it's a tool that empowers designers to bring their visions to life faster and more efficiently. If you've been following my channel, you've seen how much I rely on Coohom in all my projects. In fact, it's the only software I use to design and render as well. Now, designing is fun, but making extra money while designing is even more fun. Let's talk about the Coohom's affiliate program. Joining this program is not just about earning commissions, it's about becoming part of a growing community that values innovation and creativity in design. For example, one affiliate I know who started with just a small following was able to generate substantial income by showcasing the practical benefits of Coohom in their work. Now, this program allows you to leverage your influence while genuinely helping others discover a tool that transforms their design process. It allows you to earn a commission by promoting Coohom to others. It's simple. You share your affiliate link, and every time someone makes a purchase through your link, you earn a percentage of the sale. What's great is that Coohom offers a competitive commission rates, meaning your efforts can lead to substantial rewards. But it doesn't stop there. Once you're part of the program, you can contact their affiliate operation team to request a personalized discount code. This makes your offer even more enticing to potential users, as they will get a discount thanks to your recommendation. For example, you can go ahead and use my code EVERYTHINGDESIGN and you will get a 72% discount on all popular plans. Alright. Let's jump into how you can join the Coohom's affiliate program and get started. I've prepared a screen recording to guide you through the process. First, head over to the Coohom's website and scroll to the top of the homepage. Look for the affiliate program and click on it. On the affiliate page, you will see details about the program. If you scroll to the bottom, you will see Become an Affiliate Partner. Once you click on it, this page pops up and it has more details about the commission, and here it says that it's powered by Impact, which is a great platform for affiliate partners. You sign up and the contract terms appear. As you can see, you get 35% of the sale amount when you get 3 to 9 actions, which is very doable, and 40% when you get over 10 actions. Read the contract terms and agree to it. Then finally sign up using your email or any other method from the list. Coohom affiliate program then will contact you for approval, and that usually takes less than a week. Once you're registered, log into your affiliate dashboard. Here you will find your unique affiliate link. To create a personalized discount code, contact the affiliate operation team through the provided email or chat option. They're very responsive and will guide you through the whole process. That is it. It's so simple. Now you're all set to start promoting. Okay, now that you are an affiliate, what's next? Promoting your affiliate links effectively is the key to success. To make it easier to follow, let's group these strategies into 2 main categories. Leverage social media platforms. Share your affiliate link on platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. Create engaging posts or reels showing how Coohom helps in real-life projects, or just showcase what you have created in Coohom. Don't forget to use hashtags like interior design, 3D renderings, Coohom, and such to reach a wider audience. Create YouTube tutorials. One of the reasons my affiliate promotions are successful is that I create tutorials that genuinely help viewers. I showcase Coohom's unique features and how they can solve common design challenges or create difficult designs. Write blog posts or articles. If you have a website, write blog posts about Coohom's features and how they compare to other tools. There's a lot to mention given how Coohom excels. Don't forget to include your affiliate link as well. Collaborate with other creators. Partner with other creators in the design space to expand your reach. Offer them your personalized discount code for their audience. Email marketing. If you have a mailing list, craft a compelling email introducing Coohom and its benefits. Include your affiliate link and a call to action, encouraging readers to try it out. Focus on visual appeal. When promoting Coohom, use high-quality images and videos. Show the before and after of designs you have created using Coohom. You know, it's all about the good quality content that will attract people. And lucky for you, you don't have to worry about that because Coohom offers you up to 8K resolution in images, 1080p in videos, and a shocking 32K for 360 walkthroughs. So you have no excuse not to amaze your audience. Now, let me share some insider tips to help you stand out. For example, when I started promoting Coohom, I noticed that creating short, visually engaging video snippets showcasing its unique features, like the VR tool generator or the video render capabilities, significantly increased user interest. Similarly, crafting a blog post comparing Coohom's AI tools to traditional methods will bring in readers who appreciate the clear value proposition. By sharing these examples, you can see how combining authenticity with practical demonstrations can captivate your audience. First tip is to be authentic. People can tell when you genuinely believe in a product. Share your personal experience with Coohom to build trust. If you check my channel, for example, all my design projects are made using Coohom, and that speaks authenticity. Track your performance. Use analytics tools to see which of your promotions are driving the most traffic and conversions. Then focus on what works best. Offer value. Instead of just sharing your link, provide valuable content. For example, create a free guide on starting with Coohom and include your affiliate link. And the last tip I'm going to give you is very important. It is to engage with your audience. Respond to comments and questions about Coohom. The more you connect with your audience, the more likely they are to trust your recommendations. And there you have it. The Coohom's affiliate program is an amazing opportunity to earn while sharing a tool you genuinely love. By joining, you not only get to promote a cutting-edge design platform, but also enjoy competitive commission rates, access to personalized discount codes, and the chance to grow your influence in the design community. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting out, Coohom's features and this affiliate program can help you achieve your goals. I'd also like to highlight that Coohom isn't just for designers, it's a powerful tool for teams and business owners as well. If you're looking to grow your business, Coohom's business solutions are tailored to support your goals. For teams, the Elite Plan is designed to address the challenges that collaborative groups often face, offering seamless solutions to enhance efficiency and productivity. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos like these. I've included my own affiliate link in the description, so feel free to check it out. Until next time, happy designing and happy promoting!